Hey everyone, so I made it into Costco. We are in the new year, so you do know each year they bring out all of the furniture. I want to see if this one does open. I kind of feel like it does. I think that there was like a hinge. Here we go. So it does open. Piece right here is going to be $1,000. Also, to separate that too if you need to. Maybe put that in a little corner. A nice navy blue if you're looking into it, and it comes with the ottoman, a 1,700. This is a 3-piece fabric sectional, and of course you get the ottoman by Thomasville. You're needing something larger for a family movie night, 2,700. Reclining sectional with power headrest. You got a storage console. Not that much roomy, but it's pretty wide. Pretty wide. And for $400, we had the fabric swivel glider recliner. Pocket coil seat cushion. So if you do love this creamy color, they have it. A 3-piece set is going to be $500, so you do get the 2 chairs and the little mini side table. This one is also by Thomasville. We also have the Relax Lounger. This one is $600. This one reminds me of one you could find in Walmart. They have something really similar, and I want to say it's by maybe Better Homes and Gardens. So, you know, change it into a futon. This does have 2 USB ports and 2 power outlets. And $700 for the 70-inch console.
Has oak veneers on it, so I guess it's garbage wood with oak veneer on it.
And $550 by Bayside Furnishing, 3-in-1 TV console.
Oh, date 14, 15. I didn't go. You didn't set it up. I think you went 17, right? Right now, we're 14 and we're 17, right? I still want an alcove. I think it'll be all right. And the roof is 17.
And $600. Look at that. Open it for you. So I think this is absolutely beautiful in my opinion. I love it. It's like the Boho full queen headboard. It's only $400 here in a Costco. I kind of like that engraved look by Pike in Maine. Adjustable height, but standard metal frames. So if you're in the market for a writing desk, only $550. $550 birch veneer. You get 2 USB and 2 changing ports. And they're not self-closing. I know a lot of people like the self-closing one. For the gentleman's chest, $1,000, just a little over $1,000.
Yeah, and I don't think 2 of these would look bad. Yeah, the big ones are
They're not self-closing.
they're always kind of up there, they never really fit.
$59.99 and no limit. This one ends on the 9th. We have the area rug. If you're needing outdoor chairs, the bistro stacking, these are going to be $37. $37, and they are a steel frame and really, really lightweight. Yeah, patio dining. Check these out. Okay, look how colorful. So they're so colorful, like very bubbly to me. These are going to be $18, and you get an 8-pack indoor and outdoor use. And of course they brought out the Pyrex. You get an 8-piece, $18. BPA free, dishwasher safe, made in the USA. I like this goofy one, and Donald. I like how they're black and white and they're not like colored in. Now if you want one maybe colored in, they have like blue. Thermoflask stainless steel, 32 ounce is $24, and of course you do get 2. That's a black, purple. They do have a white one mixed in there. A 3-piece cleaver block set, German steel. It's going to be $70. So it looks like we have 2 different handles to choose from. Your cast iron, 2 for $35, which is really, really not bad. I do love my cast iron. So we have a 10-inch and 12-inch oven safe, hand wash only, and of course you will get the silicone grips. We have a grill one and a skillet. And really colorful. You get 6 in here for $19. Dishwasher safe, vented lid, a microwave safe. If you're needing a storage box, a 45 quart, it's going to be $15.99. Ends on the 15th. You will get 3 in here. Did you have the 58 quart? And your limit is 5, and there will be 14. You get 4 for $10. Limit 5 ends on the 22nd. And at $39.97, the 3-tier wood stand, good for any room. I know a lot of people do love to use this one in the bathroom for pretty much $40. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. The 12-gallon flip top crate is a